You know I come from a city of sorrow, man. Ugly introduction, red snow, heartaches.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, back again with another video. Today, we just gonna get right off into it. Today we're gonna be talking about how long it takes to get waves and the fastest way to do it. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna show you all the essentials you're gonna need as a waver. So let's just take everything out so we can get to it faster. You feel me? These are all the essentials you're gonna need as a beginner waver. First, you need to grab a mirror right here. A mirror, that's what you need. You need a mirror so you could be able to see your waves in the bathroom and look like this through another mirror and stuff like that. Like I said, man, shout out to your fonts for putting me onto that mirror right there. I got set up behind the camera so I'll be able to see what I'm doing when I'm, you know, for me brushing my hair and stuff like that in the camera. And it won't be like I'm blind brushing for y'all just to show y'all. So y'all be able to see them angles and I can hit everything right. But first things first, you need a mirror and a brush. You're gonna need a mirror and a brush, man. That's first things first. You always need a mirror and a brush. It don't matter if it's a curved brush, it don't matter what type, whatever type of brush it is, just get you a brush that works good. You're gonna need a medium, soft, and a hard brush. If you really want to be on this wave tip and be, you feel me, get to the next levels, you need a medium, soft, and a hard. And even when you woofing, you might need a medium hard as well, man. Just get up on your brushes, man. Right now, you could just start off with. I recommend you get a medium brush. Just to start off with. If you can't get all three right now, start off with a medium brush. That way, you can use that medium brush when you got a fresh cut, and even when you like mid cut, like a few weeks in, going towards your woof. By then, you should be able to afford a soft brush and a hard brush, so that way you can use a soft brush when you first get your cut and a hard brush when you woofing, because by then you should be woofing. But first, that's what you need, man. You need a mirror and your brushes, man. And another thing I use as a coarsehair waver is this right here, man. This plastic bag. It really makes a difference. And I'm gonna basically just get a session in with y'all and show y'all how I use all these essentials, man. And then you need some type of wave grease. It could be Sporting Waves. It could be 360Wave, any of them little, you know, 3 bottles that you use, Sporting Wave or the other Sporting Wave bottle, the gold one, or the 360 style bottle, the blue one. I really recommend the black Sporting Wave bottle. That one really works real well. It don't have caked up grease in your head. It's not real thick. It's thin, and you can just really use it to get your waves right. Oh yeah, and also you're gonna need a comb, man, for when you get into the middle stages, so you can comb your waves on, get them connections right, man. I got plenty of videos on how to comb, how to get your crown right, how to brush your 360 waves. Today I'm just showing y'all the essentials on what you need as a coarse hair waver, or just as a waver in general. You could be medium, you could be straight hair waver. Y'all all still use the same exact thing. We all use the same essentials. It's just different steps for different, you know, different hair textures, man. But pretty much all works with the same thing. So of course you're gonna need a comb, and then we're gonna just get a session in and show y'all how I do my hair as a coarse hair waver. Simple as that. Alright, y'all, so basically what you want to do is, feel me, get that comb session in. That's the first thing we do, man. If your hair is long enough to comb, go ahead and comb it. You always want to comb the way you brush. Simple as that. Then you want to apply your product, you feel me? Whatever product you're using at the time. It could be Sporting Waves, it could be something natural. It don't really even matter, as long as you're applying something that's, you know, it's gonna work good in your hair, and that's not gonna have it dry. Mix it in like that. Everything is applied in and combed. Everything is the way you brush. Then after that, you want to just grab your mirror, get your brush, get in that bathroom in the mirror so you can see what you're doing and get that brush session in, man. Feel me? Just go all out, get your brush session in, go fully out, just go brush crazy, man. Brush real crazy and just go fully out on your wave. And I'm telling you, you're gonna see progress, man. All you gotta do is do this method, you know, apply product, you know, once or 2 times out the week, really. So it don't really cake up in your hair, get washing styles in. That's gonna be linked down below. Everything gonna be linked down below on additional steps that, you know, that you're gonna need, because I can't throw it all in one video. It's gonna make it way too long. So I'm gonna throw everything down in the description below on what you could do. Any questions or ideas, anything that you think of is gonna be on my channel. Don't think it's not. Just scroll down and look. You probably gonna see something that you need to watch and something that you've been missing out on, something you want to work on. But you know, while y'all here, man, we got the 4,000 subscriber giveaway. It's going on. It will be ending next week. So y'all can still go enter. Spam my comments on the YouTube video for a higher chance to win on Instagram and on the YouTube video, man. Spam the comments up. Let me know. Let me see you. I need to see you. If I don't see you, you know, how am I gonna know you eager to win? How am I gonna know? So if I keep seeing your name and you're the only name I'm seeing, that's a higher chance of you getting picked, man. There are 7 winners for the do-rags and 1 lucky winner for the brush, like I explained, man. So make sure y'all go run that up. It's your boy Rico the Waver, and pretty much after that, what you gonna do now is you get your plastic bag and you go in with your plastic bag the same way you brush. Now what this is doing is pretty much laying down all the frizzy hair. It pretty much substitutes the plastic bag pretty much substitute a softie. And it just gets everything just laid down just like that, as so. Feel me? You also want to do this in the mirror so you can see what you're doing, what you're laying down, to make sure everything is laid down in a proper form and everything is back in order, man. Feel me? As y'all can see, stuff is pretty much laying down already. Get your crown right. Don't forget your crown. Brush all of that down with the plastic bag. I know I said brush, but same thing. It's like you brushing. And even if you want to just get a session and then go on with the plastic bag, it's still serving the same pressure. Still serving the same purpose, man. Like a lot of people that's behind bars, they use this to get waves. This is how they got waves, just by doing the plastic bag. So the plastic bag substitute as a brush too. Substitute as a hard and a medium and a soft all at once, because it depends on how much pressure you pulling down on your head. You feel me? And then after you feel like your hair is pretty much laid to a comfortable length, all you gotta do now is pretty much just rag up, man. And that's basically the steps on how you can get waves within the first few months. That's the fastest way you can possibly get waves, man. As y'all can see, I'm pretty dipping. And then after that, you pretty much just want to rag up, man. Just like that. Make sure the rag is inside out so you won't get the do-rag line. Don't tie it too tight, or you're going to have lines on your forehead. Feel me? Stretch it out like this so you won't have the do-rag lines. Take the same side, unfold it, do it just like that. That's why it's good to have a silky, because they known for doing stuff like this. They'll get your waves right. Pull it down in the back. Pull it down. Tie it. Remember, not too tight, because you don't want to, you feel me, hurt your brain cells. Hurt your, all that's going to pop out, your brain, everything. Pull it down in the back once again. Throw the flap up, tuck it in, however you want to do it is up to you, man. I'm in here sweating barbecue sauce as usual. Finna turn this fan on, kick back, edit this video, upload it for y'all so y'all can see and learn how to do y'all ways, man. It's me, your boy Rico the Waver. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe into the 4,000 subscriber giveaway. Share with your friends, share with everybody. The more people you tag under my post on Instagram, the higher chances you get to win. You already know what it is and what it ain't. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like, once again, turn the post notifications on. Run this video to about 100 likes. Let's see how much supporters I got, man. Run that like button up. Excuse me. All right, we out. Gang.